Good morning, people. Thought I'd just do a quick review on the ISI bike rack that I picked up for my Jayco Journey, and I thought this one in particular, there's plenty of good videos on how to install it. There's one guy in particular I followed which was pretty awesome, but nothing really shows me on the videos on a Jayco Journey, or one of these kind of guys with a little hatch thing, and it's a full-size Caravan. So I thought, do a quick video. I mean, the engineering on this thing's amazing, so I'm stoked I spent the money on it. And yes, it's not cheap, but when you look at the build quality on it, it's pretty wild. Very easy to set up. I'm not going to run through any of that, but what I will show you is this pin thing, right, and how it works. Now, you've got two pins there. This is like the pivot bit, and this one allows you to release it. So I just pull that guy out. And then this guy here, I haven't lubed it up yet, but that just comes straight out like that. A bit tight, really cold in the morning up here at Bairnsdale. And then, how do I do that again? That's right, stick that there. So what I do, sorry, the video's gone everywhere. I'll just put that there just to be safe. But what I do is this. Now this is a heavy bike, by the way. This is my wife's e-bike. This thing's like 27 kilos, and then I've got a lighter one there, about 15. But when I want to open her up, I literally just grab it with one hand, lean like that. There we go. Simple as that. Then obviously open up the hatch. I don't need to show you guys that, but it's just rock solid. I'm tying it for the first time up here, about 300k. Had no wobbles, nothing. Also, I like this. It's a little bit different, but with this style of bike, I can't remember what that called actually. But you can see it really holds that in nicely there. And then my bike at the back there, just the usual setup, which is fine. So hopefully, if there's any doubts or concerns or questions around that, if you are looking at these, I definitely recommend it. Again, there's guys that install it. There's one video online that's really good. The instructions are easy, really easy to set up, by the way. But when you see this thing in person, mate, you can run this thing through a truck and it'll be fine. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helps.